Hey, hi, it's Steve here. So we are done making the pancakes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just make the whipped cream with the whipped cream maker here. So all it calls for is 1 carton of heavy whipping cream. One tablespoon of powdered sugar. And then just 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm just going to put the apparatus down in here, lock it up, and I'm just going to pump away. This will make the cream thicker, just like whipped cream, so that way it doesn't run. Oh yeah. And what I'm just going to do is going to make sure the whipped cream stays in there. So that way it doesn't get on the counter. This is nice, thick, won't run, and it's your own whipped cream. It only takes 3 ingredients, and it tastes just as good as Cool Whip, Ready Whip, or any other kind of whipped cream that is out there. And we're going to put these on our pancakes, and we're just going to have some pancakes and eggs for dinner tonight. Lazy Sunday. It just makes meal prep so much easier, safer, faster, and it's fun. So I like doing this because it's helping me become a better meal maker for my family, and I like helping people host parties. And when you host a party, you can get discounted as well as free kitchen items. And then if you host a party and launch it as like your business party, you can also make money from the party. So look at this whipped cream is so thick it's not coming out. It's not coming out of this. So that's the whipped cream maker here, and we're gonna go eat. So thanks for watching. If you are interested in wanting to host a party, I can definitely help you out. I can take all the guesswork out of what you have to do, and we can have a fun 2 to 3 hour event where you can invite your friends over. We will make a dish. We'll use the equipment hands-on. Prizes will be given as well, and you also have the opportunity of making extra money by doing what I'm doing. So if you are interested in that, message me, and I would definitely like to talk to you. So Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon.